Winston, it's a 9, man. It's a 9.
Babe, you don't need to get so aggressive, man. You just need to know say you're alright. Yo, John, no, yo. That pregnancy you have, you just a snap, just so like one turtle to blouse and skirt.
But if you ask me every 2 minutes, 3 minutes in a conversation if I'm good, it not got a 9. That got annoy me.
Alright, I'm gonna stop asking if you're good. I'm gonna stop asking if you're alright, because it look like say that has a problem for me to be concerned about you in your state right now. And the youth you are carrying a little shopping there, so you know. So I have to think 2 times every time I think about you, you know. You know when over there I do nothing too much. You see me?
Like what, Shappy? I not clean the floor with coarse broom. I not wash with my hand. I'm gonna make out a glass. I'm pregnant.
Yo, you're too aggressive in this.
Stop saying me aggressive. Me not talk to you aggressive.
No,
You call me and talk to you a while ago.
Yeah, but me I talk
It's like
to you.
you really want to get upset.
Alright. Have it your way. Yeah, man, have it your way, man. Me talk to you, little man.
Chappie? I have something to say to you.
What now?
No, it's just a question I want to ask you.
So ask the question.
Well, if somebody asks me to ask you the question.
Somebody? So what? Did somebody not have no name?
Kareem.
So you want to ask me about Kareem and you tell me about somebody like a foreigner?
You alright?
Why?
You just sound aggressive. Why you talk to myself? What do something?
Sorry about that, yeah? You're in a different headspace right now, Tony. Where does the DJ I said to you?
Well, him say him didn't want to know if only I use over this, so. Because him is a chef and he wants someone for cook him recipe and them something there. He want over this for rain, so he must have for ask, you know.
And him ask you to ask me. Tell Karim to give me a link, yeah. Hey man, then I see him again. Just tell him to go give me a link, yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna tell him. You gonna rent him?
Tony, just tell him to call me, man. When you talk to him, just tell him to come give me a link. See?
Father Spiderman, have many sons. Have many sons, have Father Spiderman. It might be one of them, it could be 2. So
Shepherd, what are you doing at the apple tree?
Button, how make you always ask me the same fool question? Apple grow up and ground? Look here, me want one bag. Get one bag, make me take down the happily. And look here now, you have to help me come down. For the last time me up here, when me did a come down, by the time the ancestors them reach to bear me up, the ground did reach me first. So just bring the bag and come help me down.